So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your second pad in Maschine, give it a label, and go up to your input and select whatever source your microphone is on. And go to your pad 1, give it a label, and you want to go down to FX, plugins, and you want to choose the Reactor 5 FX VST and open up your Reactor 5 and load Razor into your player. Now once Razor loads, you want to go ahead and load in a snapshot of a vocoder or of your sound. I like the Buzzsaw vocoder, so I'll do that. And once you patch your mic over to your Razor, you will see your input right here for your voice, so that'll know that it's receiving input from your audio source. So I'm going to go do that now, and unfortunately you won't hear me talk for a second, so it'll be quiet, so you'll just have to watch what I'm doing. But hopefully it should make sense. I'll show you that the input is patched here before I press any keys, and I'll press a key and show you what it sounds like. So watch what I'm doing, and you'll hear me in a second.
So now I'm pressing a pad, and you'll notice that the audio is coming in through the first bars, showing that you're receiving a signal, and the second is your actual physical output. So now I'm just pressing keys to show you what the vocoder sounds like. And this is the vocoder on Razor. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.